Good morning, JSU, Purdue, Lehman College, and Notre Dame. Welcome back. Today is March the 30th, and it is a Monday. So happy beginnings to you on this day of the week. We're going to start off with our Do Now. Today's Do Now is just a continuation from last week's article that we read on Friday. So, for your Do Now, think about Friday's article. Summarize the purpose of the experiment in one paragraph. Respond in at least three complete sentences. So, when we're talking about the purpose, we want to just make sure that we're writing down the purpose of the experiment. Why were the scientists actually completing this experiment? What was the reason? So, you're writing that down in three complete sentences. I've noticed that some of us are not writing down incomplete sentences. Some of us are not completely giving great responses, maybe in a sentence or two. Today, I want you to respond in at least three sentences. Once you finish making your response, I want you to either copy and paste a picture into the box below, or you can, if you're not printing this out, you can find a diagram online that also supports your written response. If you're printing this out, no worries. You can draw like normal. That's completely fine. Do now, silent and solo. Pause the video, then go. Clap once, clap twice. Stomp once, clap twice. All right. Purdue and Lehman, sounds like you guys are on point. Silent celebration. So, in case some of you cannot remember everything that happened in the article, I have a small version of the article for you on the next page. If you are having trouble seeing it, you can always zoom into the article so that you can see the words better. And if that doesn't work, then you are more than welcome to look at last week's packet where you have the article in full size. Let's turn to the next page in 3, 2, and 1. So, this is the pop quiz that I promised you guys. Craig, do not roll your eyes because I see you. Ethan, don't roll your eyes either because I see you. This is the pop quiz that I promised you guys. It is not going to take you very long to complete. Let's take a look at it together. Now, on part one, you are just giving me definitions of special words that were used throughout the article: parasite, pathogen, resistant, host, and susceptibility. If you're having troubles remembering what the definitions to those words are, there's actually a definition section right here on the very last page. You don't have to use this definition. You can use it. You can use your own words to define each term, or if you like to take a definition from another source online, you're more than welcome to do that. So then on part two, we're answering 3 short essay questions. No, I don't expect for you to have a claim or anything like that written. I just want you to give me more than one sentence when you're responding. So you should at least give me 2 complete sentences for your response. So let's look at these questions. Why did the scientists move the mice outdoors? What was the whole purpose of them moving the mice outdoors? Number 7, what did the scientists test? Why did the scientists test genetically identical mice? In other words, why did they test the same type of species of mouse that had the same type of DNA? What was the purpose of doing that? Just a little helpful hint. We do something similar to this in a lot of experiments. Who can remember why we do this? And then question number 8. How did the changes in the mice's gut microbes affect the mice's susceptibility? Okay, so now we have to rely on one of the definitions that we should have written down in question number 5: susceptibility. You guys are awesome. You can do this. I trust that it will not take you longer than about 20 minutes to complete this. When you have completed this quiz for me, you are going to share it with me in Google Docs. All you have to do is click on the share button. Then, where it says people, you're going to put your cursor there and then put my email address, which is jbell@crayoprep.org. And if you want to take a shortcut, you can just click on my email address and then click send. So that wraps up today's lesson. I hope you guys are having a great Monday. Best of luck to everyone who's starting a productive week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.